You've been wondering where I've been the last couple weeks. I've been working on a wedding. Matt and Jen got married. She's a nurse and he's a paramedic. And they had an absolutely gorgeous wedding. Everything was sort of a dusty rose color, and they got married at their home. And they had this little fire pit in the backyard, and Toby came up with an amazing centerpiece to be able to take away from somebody falling or getting injured. I thought it was genius, but it was absolutely gorgeous. And their dog Jake was the ring bearer for the wedding. He was so cute, and he just goes right along with everything. But there was a lot to do, and that's the wedding party. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is what we got: the Boston cream cupcakes with the white hearts, the key lime with the meringue and a light slice of lime, the strawberry, pineapple, goat cheese, and then we've got the apple cheesecake and the cranberry cheesecake, the cherry bars and brownies and classic cheesecake. And then we've got cookies on the shelf down below. We've got a raspberry parfait over there, and those are extra cookies. Then we've got more parfaits, a peanut butter and a lemon parfait, and another tray of cookies, and just a lot inspired. So the wedding cake was the first one I'd ever done, and it was an experience. But here's the table, what it looked like when it was all put together out for guests to be able to enjoy themselves, and we just kept filling it up. But Matt and Jen were just beautiful, and it was just a fabulous day, and I just wish them the best. So we will be back to our regular posting, and until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.